Welcome to the new section on Databricks Activities. In this session, we'll be transforming the population as well as testing file that we ingested into our data lake from Azure Blob Storage. Let's cast our mind back at the solution architecture for a minute. In the data ingestion session, we ingested the population data as well as the testing data from Azure Blob Storage into our data lake. This population file contained information about the total population of each country and the percentage of population that falls inside each of the age groups. And the testing file contains the COVID testing information. We now need to transform these files, as required, for our analysis and reporting. For this, we are going to use the Databricks Notebook activity. Please note that the objective here is to learn about the Databricks activities rather than learn about Spark or Databricks in general. So that's what we'll focus on. In order to use the Databricks Notebook activity in Data Factory, we need a Databricks service. So we'll start by creating a Databricks service, and I'll give you an overview of the user interface. We'll then create a Databricks cluster so that we can mount our storage accounts into the workspace. Following that, we'll mount the storage account for the blob storage and the data lake into our Databricks workspace. We'll then go through the transformation requirements for our data from both the file's population as well as testing. Following that, we'll create two pipelines in Data Factory. First, we will create pipeline for population. And next, we will create pipeline for testing. After pipeline creation, we will execute the notebook and verify the outputs. So let's start with creating the Databricks service in the next lesson.